Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking. Today I am going to show you how to make tofu biryani. This recipe I got from my friend. When I went to her place, she made it, so we all loved it. So I asked her for the recipe and she's so nice. She gave me the recipe, so I'm just going to share this with you. So please join me, let's start cooking. I have cut the tofus into cube size pieces like this. I'm just going to marinate it first. So for that, I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of yellow powder, and just mix it nicely by adding some water. Sprinkle some water and then just mix it nicely and leave it for half an hour. Because tofu on its own has got no taste in it, so we need to add the flavors so that they will absorb nicely. These are the ingredients. We need some onions, tomato, cashews and raisins. These are the marinated tofus, coconut milk. I'm going to grind all this: mint leaves, coriander, green chilies, ginger, garlic. So to start first, I'm adding in the chilies, ginger, garlic along with the coriander and mint leaves. I'm just going to grind it into a coarse mixture. I took 2 cups of basmati rice, washed it nicely and soaked it in the water. So that is also ready. First, for garnishing, I'm just going to fry the onions. I took 1 large onion and then I'm just going to fry this. I'm just going to add some salt and fry it until they are brown. This will take roughly 5 minutes. Let's cook the rice. For that I've kept some water, it's boiling. I'm just going to add in the soaked rice. The onions are getting brown. I'm just going to remove them, reduce the flame. Same oil, I'm just going to add in the cashews and the raisins. Now in the remaining oil, I'm just going to shallow fry the tofus. This will take roughly 5 to 7 minutes. Don't over fry them. Just remove it. Our rice has cooked nicely. I'm just going to drain it. Just going to add some more oil. A teaspoon of cumin seeds, cloves, star anise and 1 cinnamon stick. Once you get the nice aroma, add in some chopped onions. Adding some salt. fry the onions for another 5 minutes. Tofu is a high source of protein, so for vegetarians it's really good. I think you all will like this. After 5 minutes of frying the onion, I'm just adding in one large tomato, which I cut into small pieces like this. The tomatoes are nice and soft. At this stage, I'm just adding in the ground mixture. This has got ginger, garlic, mint leaves, coriander, green chili and everything. So I've just added that. Let it boil. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to this and add it. I'm just going to open it. Keep stirring in between. All the raw flavors are gone. It's cooking nicely. At this stage, let's add in the fried tofu. Mix it gently. Add 1 cup of coconut milk. Also adding in 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Adding in some salt. Just one boil, just turn off the flame. The gravy is ready. We have cooked the rice also. We are going to layer it in the rectangle shaped glass tray and then bake it in the oven for 180 degrees for 20 minutes. So for that, I'm just going to add the tofu mixture, one layer. Adding in the rice now. Now the tofu mixture. And the rice on top. Adding the fried onion on top. And the fried cashew nuts and the raisins.